How to share WhatsApp group link without being admin. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you if we can share WhatsApp group link without being admin or not. So let's find out. So first thing, simply open up your WhatsApp group, and once you're inside here, just click on any of the WhatsApp group and make sure you have clicked on the profile icon or just profile name. So if you are the group admin, in this case, as you can see, I am the group admin over here. So I can see all of the members over here, and just click on this invite via link option to copy the link of my group and send it to other person to join this group. But if I am not actually group, let's say in this case, in this second group where I am not the admin, as you can see, where I am not the admin, I can't, and I will not be able to invite any other members. So with that, what we can find out is we can actually add the people to the list or to our group, but we can't actually share the link directly as we are not admin. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.